Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Google Family Link on your Samsung Galaxy A13. So, firstly, you need to open Settings application, then scroll down and choose Google. Then click Manage your Google account. Click Get Started. Click Data and Privacy. Scroll down and click Delete your Google account. Now confirm your password. Now we will delete our Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. So click Next. Scroll down, click I understand, scroll down, click yes, yes, and delete account. Now we can go back to home screen, open your menu, and here you can see that all my applications are covering now. So cool, all my apps was successfully recovered, and now we need to recover our Google account. To do this, open Play Store, click Sign In, enter email, and you will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore the account. Click Next, enter password, and click Next. So, now you need to log in into your account again, last time. So, enter email, enter password, click Next, click I agree, click Accept. And that's all. Google account working, Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. We can delete parental controls from our device. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Comment this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.